Take a deep breath and listen to these gentle words. Words that have comforted hearts for generations. A message of peace. A message of trust. The Lord is my shepherd. I have everything I need. He lets me rest in green fields. He leads me beside quiet waters. He restores my soul. He guides me on the right path. Even when I walk through dark valleys, I will not be afraid, because you are with me. Your presence brings me comfort. You prepare a place for me. You fill my heart with peace. My cup overflows with love, with kindness, with grace. Surely goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in peace forever.